probably already know that the letter K as in kite and the letter C as in cat can sound like k, k. But did you know that the letter Q and the letter X can also sound like k? Listen carefully to the word queen. Can you hear the k sound at the beginning? Queen. QU sounds like qua. Let's practice some example words. Repeat after me. Quiz, quit, quote. Quiz, quit, quote. Qua, qua, qua. Quiz, quit, quote. Nice. Try these two similar words. Quite, quiet. Quite is one syllable because it has a silent E at the end. It sounds like the color white with the k sound. Repeat after me. White. Yes, now add the k at the beginning. Quite. Quite. Quiet is two syllables. The second syllable sounds exactly like the word yet. Yet. Repeat. Now add the first syllable. Quiet. Quiet. Let's contrast these two words in a sentence. Repeat after me. It's quite quiet here today. Good. Let's try some longer QU words. Repeat after me. Question. Quarterly. Quality. Again. Question. Quarterly report. Quality control meeting. Now we'll add intonation as we put these phrases into sentences. When's the next question? When's the next quarterly report? When's the next quality control meeting? Well done. Next week, we'll be practicing another letter that surprisingly sometimes begins with the k sound and sometimes with the g sound. Watch for next week's lesson about how to pronounce the complicated letter X.